we are going to discuss Lenz's law. Before discussing Lenz's law, let us revise Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, if magnetic flux linked with conductor changes, then induced EMF will set up in the conductor. And if the conductor is in the form of the closed loop, then induced current will flow through it. And second thing is that the magnitude of the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. But Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction does not tell us that if a coil is placed in variable magnetic flux, then in which direction current will flow. This is limitation of Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The direction of induced current is given by Lenz's law and it is based on law of conservation of energy. According to Lenz's law, the polarity of induced EMF is such that it opposes the cause which has produces it. That is E equal to minus d phi by dt. This negative sign simply tells that the polarity of induced EMF will oppose the rate of change of magnetic flux. In other words, it is also stated that the direction of induced current is such that it opposes the cause which has produced it. याद रखिए कि इंड्यूस्ड करंट की डायरेक्शन कुछ ऐसी ही होगी कि उस कॉज को अपोज करेगा जिसकी वजह से प्रोड्यूस्ड हुई है. क्लियर? नाउ यूजिंग this law we are going to give the direction of induced current, right? And in this video we are going to solve 5 or 6 problems and we are going to find out direction of induced current. Let us discuss question number 1. In this question, magnetic field is in inward direction and decreasing. It is decreasing. And a conducting coil is placed in this decreasing magnetic field. We have to find out direction of induced current. First of all, we are going to discuss why induced current will set up in this coil. What is happening here? B is decreasing. Magnetic field decrease हो रहा है. We know that phi equal to BA cos theta. ठीक? Here theta equal to 0, phi equal to BA. That is phi is directly proportional to B. B is decreasing. It means that magnetic flux is also decreasing. Flux is decreasing. It means that flux is changing. And if a coil is placed in variable magnetic flux, induced current will set up. Induced current. Now, what will be the direction of induced current? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? This will be decided by Lenz's law. Right? And what is Lenz's law? The direction of induced current is such that it opposes the cause which has produced it. इंड्यूस्ड करंट क्यों प्रोड्यूस हुआ? फ्लक्स चेंज हो रहा था. फ्लक्स कैसे चेंज हो रहा था? फ्लक्स डिक्रीज हो रहा था. It means that induced current will oppose the decrease in magnetic flux. Right? Now, how the induced current will oppose the decrease in magnetic flux? By producing magnetic flux in the same current, same direction. मतलब induced current की डायरेक्शन कुछ ऐसी होगी कि मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स उसी डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस हो जिसमें कि वो डिक्रीज हो रही थी. क्लियर? नाउ magnetic flux is decreasing in inward direction. It means that magnetic flux due to induced current will produced in inward direction. Right. अब जिस डायरेक्शन में आपको मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स चाहिए, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चाहिए, थंब को, राइट हैंड के थंब को उसी डायरेक्शन में कीजिए एंड कर्ल योर फिंगर्स. राइट. द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द कर्ल फिंगर will give the direction of induced current. Clear? This one. ठीक है? In this case, the direction of induced current will be clockwise. ठीक? What will happen? आप कहेंगे सर अगर if it is anti-clockwise, then what will happen? When it is anti-clockwise, then original magnetic flux is decreasing inward. Magnetic flux due to this induced current will be outward. This induced current will support the decrease in the flux. जो फ्लक्स पहले डिक्रीज हो रही थी उसको और डिक्रीज करेगा. क्लियर? लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू लेंज लॉ, डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड करंट इज सच दैट इट विल अपोज द कॉज. कॉज क्या है? डिक्रीज इन द फ्लक्स. तो डायरेक्शन विल बी क्लॉकवाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Here magnetic field is in outward direction and it is increasing and a coil is placed in this magnetic field. Now we have to give the direction of induced current in this coil. Let us see why induced current will produce here. B is increasing, phi will also increase, phi is changing, and in this changing phi a coil is placed and hence induced current will pass through it. ठीक है? Now what is the direction of induced current? The direction of induced current is such that it will oppose the cause which has produces it. Why the induced current is producing? Change in flux. How changing? Flux is changing. Flux is increasing. It means that induced current will oppose the increase in flux. That is, direction of induced current will be such that it will opposes the increase in flux. Now, flux is increasing in outward direction. Then the magnetic flux due to induced current will produce in inward direction. In this direction. Right? ओरिजिनल मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स है वो बाहर की साइड में इंक्रीज हो रहा है. इंड्यूस्ड करंट की वजह से मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स अंदर की तरफ होगा. सिंस बोथ आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इंड्यूस्ड करंट इज अपोजिंग द इंक्रीज इन फ्लक्स. ठीक? क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. दिस इज इनफाइनाइटली लॉन्ग. current carrying conductor and I is decreasing, we have to find out direction of induced current in this rectangular coil or rectangular loop. Now, first of all, let us try to understand why induced current will set up in this rectangular loop. Here I is decreasing and we know that B is directly proportional to I. It means that magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor is also decreasing. Now direction of magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor will be outward. This will be the direction of magnetic field and it is decreasing. Since phi is directly proportional to B, it means phi is directly proportional to I. If I is decreasing, B is also decreasing. It means that phi is also decreasing. It means that phi is changing, and in this changing phi, this variable flux of rectangular coil is placed, and there will be induced current. Take. Now direction of induced current is such that it will oppose the cause which has produces it. Why induced current is produced? Change in flux. How flux is changing? It is decreasing. It means that induced current is going to oppose this decrease. That is, induced current is going to increase the magnetic flux. Right? It means that direction of induced current will be such that it is going to increase the flux. Right? तो फ्लक्स किस डायरेक्शन में डिक्रीज हो रहा है? बाहर की डायरेक्शन में. तो इंड्यूस्ड करंट कैसे फ्लो करेगा? मुझे फ्लक्स चाहिए इस डायरेक्शन में, तो जिस डायरेक्शन में फ्लक्स चाहिए, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड चाहिए, उस डायरेक्शन में थंब कीजिए एंड कर्ल योर फिंगर्स. राइट हैंड की बात कर रहा हूँ. दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. In this question number 4, this is infinitely long current carrying conductor carrying constant current I, where I is constant now. And this rectangular coil is moving with velocity v in this direction. What will be the direction of induced current in this coil? Clear? This coil is P, Q, R and S. Now, B is directly proportional to I. B is inversely proportional to A. That is, B is inversely proportional to distance. If this distance is increasing, magnetic field due to this current carrying wire will also decrease. As this wire is moving in this direction, what is happening? Here, distance increasing, distance is increasing, B decreasing, B is decreasing, phi is decreasing, that is phi is changing and induced current. Direction of induced current will be such that it will oppose the cause which has produced it. That is, induced current will oppose the decrease in flux. अब magnetic flux or magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor will be in outward direction, in this direction. It means that induced current will flow in such a way that the magnetic flux due to induced current will be in outward direction. क्यों? क्योंकि इस डायरेक्शन में मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स कम हो रहा है, डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ठीक, तो this will be in this question. Current I in this conductor is constant and this loop is moving with velocity v in upward direction, and we have to give the direction of induced current in this loop K, L, M and N. Right? Now, we know that B is directly proportional to I and inversely proportional to D or A distance. When this loop is moving in upward direction parallel to this conductor, there is no change in this D, there is no change in this distance. It means that there will be no change in magnetic field linked with this side or this side, and it means that flux will be constant, and hence V constant, I constant, no induced current. Right? In question number 6, this loop is moving outward with velocity in first case, in second case in this direction with velocity v outward. In the case of third one, this loop is moving inside the field, not coming outside the field, but it is inside the field. It is moving. And fourth one, it is coming from outside to inside the field. What will be the direction of induced current in all the 4 cases? ये आपको बताना है, right? And give the answer.